Hi guys, so this will be the first part of the tutorial of how to use Tasker. In this video I will describe how to understand Tasker. So let's go straight into it. Right here on the top you see profiles, and profiles are basically triggering tasks. Okay, you can create a profile that will basically do something at 5 p.m. So the profile is the thing that says at 5 p.m. run this task. Okay. Hi guys, I don't want to interrupt, but I just want to let you know that I have a website called MationX.com where I offer custom automation development. So if you're interested in automating anything for your Android device or for your computer, or automating something on managed servers where I take care of the automations and make sure they run all the time, please contact me there and we will see if we can do something for you. Thank you for watching. So profile is just triggering the tasks. Now tasks, what are tasks? Tasks are basically the functions that you want to perform. So you can create a task that will send a message, you can create a task that will edit a photo, or you can create a task that will do something with your Google Sheets file, and etc, etc. You can basically create anything with tasks. Now scenes are basically UI windows that you create on your own. So if we create a UI window, so let's call it window, for example. Now you can create the size of the window, then you go back, then you click on the window, then you can add for example, a button. Okay, and this button can have some text and can do some action. So this pop-up will then pop up on your screen based on how you want it to pop up. So these are scenes. You can basically create any UI you would like, but they are a little bit old, so they do not seem really modern. And then there are variables. This is vars, short for variables, and you can create local variables and global variables. Global variables are basically visible to all tasks that are running, and local variables are visible only to tasks that are currently that set them, you know, not to other tasks. They are not like shareable. So this is very important, and here you're gonna see only global variables that you create. So let's see in tasks. You can create a new task that will, for example, you can call an action variable set, and this variable set will create a variable. Now if it's a global variable or a local variable, is based on the name, and the name can contain or does not have to contain a capital letter. If it contains a capital letter or capital letters, it doesn't matter, it's a global variable. If it would be like this, or lowercase, it would be a local variable. It wouldn't be visible to other tasks. Okay, so let's call it like this and say hello, for example. And when I run it, it set the variable, and here in vars I see the variable right here. I can change the value, I can copy the value, I can paste the value, and that's about it.